What's up, everybody? Brian's Motorsports. This is my good friend Todd Hunley. This is the Chicken Man, otherwise known as the Chicken Man. And I'm sure when everybody sees it on Instagram, whatever, they go, "What is a chicken?" So he owns one of our local Chick-fil-A's, and the one thing I brag on Todd is he usually gives away more chicken than money he makes a year. That's what I think. It's probably pretty level, isn't it?
So it is.
One reason why you're blessed.
Good. Yes, absolutely.
So tell them why you're here today. Tell them everybody.
So I'm real excited about this. So I've been watching Brian for a while get these cool Nike shoes, and so I finally inquired about it, and he told me about OffbeatCustoms, and so I contacted Brandon, and I said, you know, I own a Chick-fil-A, and I would love to see some cool Chick-fil-A shoes. And so he said, yeah, we could do it. And he said, by the way, me and my wife love Chick-fil-A. So that's really cool too.
Did he say don't get no grease on them?
So, and everything, exactly. And so I'm still nervous about wearing these and everything, but this is a special day for me because I wanted to be with Brian when I opened them up and everything. So thank you for letting me do this.
No, I'm excited. I'm just glad. I'm just glad. He don't own a Corvette, but we had to get the New Balance off of him.
So that's right. Exactly.
Get this open.
Exactly. Let's see what we got
and
here.
Those of you that don't follow Brandon, OffbeatCustoms, he is phenomenal.
Yes, he's been great to work with.
Very talented. 50th anniversary. Shut up. Seriously?
So I had to go all out. I mean, you know, go big or go home.
Thanks, Brandon. I've never got a case plate. I really appreciate that.
So,
wow.
So here we go. Here we go. We've got
Chick-fil-A.
There you go, right there.
Air Max 1s.
And I love his logo. Love his logo, the Offbeat logo there. That's really cool. And got the.
Let's click this sucker up. Come on, Todd. Listen, it's a case. We can look at this case later. Come on.
Here we go.
Shut up.
Look at that. Look at that. That's unbelievable.
Here you go. Pull one of them out. I know it's yours. Go ahead and pull one of them out. My pleasure.
My pleasure. Look at that. Holy cow. That's.
And Supreme on the back. Look.
How about that now?
Look.
I'm just learning all about this, man.
Eat more chicken. Look at this.
This is unbelievable.
Brandon, you have the Lord's chicken.
The Lord's chicken.
Ready to go, bro. Oh, wait a minute. You even got.
How about that on the laces?
Brandon,
yeah, I got this.
I'm gonna need an answer why I don't have BMS.
Look at this. How about that now?
So,
this is unbelievable.
This is a good shoe. I mean, this is a top-notch shoe.
Yeah, it is. I had never. This is my first pair of Supremes. Never had.
All right, you're gonna see this. I told him. So Todd
there
called me.
You go.
I'm afraid to wear them. I said, no, Todd. We work hard, and you're gonna wear these to work, and that way you can be proud of them. So if you want to see these on Todd's feet, go to Rivergate Chick-fil-A store.
Yes.
So and then tell them like, hey, I need to see Todd and his new shoes from OffbeatCustoms.
Absolutely.
So
shout out, Brandon. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Love them. Absolutely love them. And thanks for sharing this time with me, Brian. Thank you.
That's what we do.
This means a lot. Absolutely, brother.
Now all you gotta do is eat more chicken.
Amen.
Okay. Have a good day.